Ipakita ko sa kanila dito. Wala pa po tayo dito? Oo, ipakita ko sa... Oh, hindi pa tapos? I'll bring this. Nangyari? Okay, Hannah. That's it, bebe. Let's go. Let's go. We're going upstairs. Ano, di ka na to. Going upstairs. Let's go natin. Ay, si Hannah nauna na. Bye-bye, Manila Baywalk. Oh. Wait, bebe. Wait muna, kuya. Nauna na yung dalawa. I'm going to tayo sa may tulay. Pass over. This is the pass over. Overpass pala. This is the overpass. This is Manila. Sandali lang, kuya. Nauna na yung mga bata. Ano? Come to mommy. Nauna na itong dalawa. Let's go. Opo. Sige po. Hawakan mo lang, kuya. Hannah, we're going to stay here, baby ko. Baba lang niyang pantalon niya. Good job, bebe. Oh, no, not that one. Not the one. Saan tayo maghihintay, kuya? Dito na lang. Dito na lang. Opo. Hannah. Hello to back to Jack Black. We're here at Manila Baywalk, Dolomite Beach. That's in that area. We came in that place. And then we went into that overpass and then here. So we're going to wait for my cousin Kuya Gadiel. Welcome to Manila, guys. This is Manila. And it's very hot in here. Opposite to the weather in Bicol region. We always have a rainy day for the month of January. Ay, bebe, Pao! Ay, my bird! Hi, Pao! Kakita siya ng bird. Nakakita ng bird. Okay, here is our car. Okay, dokie. Thank you so much. Okay, get inside, everybody. Hurry up, baby. Oh, go, Hannah. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm going to end this live. Ito po, kuya. Pagod po, ate. Sa Luneta naman ulit. Okay, bye now, guys. Our next stop is the Luneta Park. Punta kami sa Luneta. Yay!